I'm Isaac Ross. I'm a senior student in MME. This is my first knife here. It has a nice little Kydex sheath from the Sheath Workshop. I went with the middle size of the CP12 knife template, which I didn't really divert from aside from a little bit of the file in the choil. I also added some file work on the spine just to be decorative. Moving on to the knife too, I went with a design for a 16-inch Mezzaluna pizza cutter, which I designed in on shape. I chose AEBL stainless for good use in the kitchen, and I wanted to use buffalo horn handles so it would match some of my existing kitchen cutlery. This was a lot more challenging to make. There are several features here which I designed with cutting the profile on a water jet in mind. The water jet was down for a couple weeks, so I ended up having to find a way to fixture it in a CNC mill and mill out the profile. It ended up being very challenging with milling stainless steel, especially a blade steel like this that has a lot of fine carbides in it that really eat away at cutting tools. I hope you all enjoy it as much as I did. The rocking motion of the profile actually works excellent too.